Want to create notes on Instagram and not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. And let's get started. After downloading your Instagram app and having created an account, the next thing you do is open up the app, and from the home page here you click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you do that, look at your profile at the top here, then you click on notes that's written up here, and then you create your notes. You can add a song if you want, and once you do that, you click on share.
Caught a few pages up and down.
So I've created my notes, I've added my music, and next I click on share, and that's it. That is how to create notes on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. We put up helpful tips and tricks like this one every day. And if in case you don't know how to download and install Instagram, you can check out our video on how to download and install Instagram on your mobile app. Thanks for watching.